The same thing. Me a celebrity and she a celebrity, so you can't cuss me about that if somebody want to. Oh, you have to cuss me. You can't cuss me. Dirty bleach out girl Carol, you can't cuss me. Eh? You can't talk about nobody when your house is so cluttered. There's not even space for walk, for come up. And your fucking bathroom so dirty. I cut me if I cock up when I want piss when I come pick up for out. Girl, go sit. You can't. What a way you at for me. Look for your fucking big belly friend. Look how Dana look. You can't cuss me about shape. You look just like your right age. You look like blood clot 60. That's how you look. You don't look no different. You don't have no, what? What about you? Eh? Go start bleach now and see. Go start bleach now and look at you. Thank you very much, Jaquan. Go start bleach. You can't talk about stagnant. Then I who cut up a roadside. Me then I want blood clot. That's what you can do. You can't even get a blood clot, man. Of vote. Let talk about your children, not your children. Your children don't even like you. Remember, you and I used to speak. Just as though that the one the children keep no like she as of your own. You run up and down and fuck down Jamaica like a dog with a young boy the way I mind. Me no mind no man. I mind you mind she. For you and I become so close. You can't chat to me, bitch. You can't come talk about no stagnant. Bitch, me get a paycheck in my account every Friday. I'm in a live from government. So you have blood clot pension, forget me a pension. Gunfire away. Eh? Gunfire where? Gunfire? What kind of gunfire? Bitch ass Dana, what kind of gunfire? Eh? What kind of gunfire? You look like a big blood clot spread out fly fitters, spoiled fly fitters in a pan. And you and your friend accuse me about shape and sitting. Look how you look. Look on the video how you look. Look how you spread out like a big blood clot bammy. Eh? How you can call people stagnant? Eh? How the blood clot you can call people stagnant? Eh? You never stagnant when you walk a clean blood clot shit house. Eh? You never and a clean bush straw at office. You never stagnant every time. And you still blood clot stagnant. Look how you say a bunny look like a big blood clot, big bullfrog. Eh? Look on you. You can't even walk good. You sit down and you still have your off and a puff and a breed. You attack. You're sure you know my you're sure you might get a stroke. The way did you set on and I come and go on like saying I know say me she attack, but who you attack? Who you calling stagnant? Bitch, who are your friend calling stagnant? Look at you. You need to go do lipo. You need to go take your money where you have and go do exercise. You need to go do a lipo. You need to go on diet. You need blood clot, Jenny Craig. You can cash up and Zelle. Me only come up here when me have my friend. When me see my supporters, them and me said, "Oh no bless me, give me a star to sing. Me no collect money to pay my bills. Me no collect money for star and me no depend taps and roses. Me go over by what you call it, TikTok. And that you forgot about. You's a fucking liar. You collect enough money. You are the collection for collect money for her. You have to give her your money. Because if you don't have to give her money, because you know so she love money. But don't come tell me nothing. You know, don't fucking piss me off in a Carol. Because me have evidence. Don't fucking piss me off. You and Dana don't fucking piss me off. For 2024. Make them run with Erica. Make them do with dirty landlord. Me not call her Erica. Fuck Erica. Make them go on with dirty landlord. Right, you know. Don't fucking piss me off. You are if I me like it too, you know, me shut my fucking mouth. Don't even come off of me. Don't fucking piss me off. Reason why you are babes because you're always jealous of you're always jealous of me and our intention. Just as how Dana fame pit them in her, I just like how fear pit them in her, not in you either. When they make up now, you can't talk to me about you 60 and look good. Then I wish for you look good. Stop bleach, bitch, and get to your right color. Stop the what you have. Me the America. Me I sell my things. What kind of fucking thing you have? You can't even get a good blood clot dick up if you fuck you. You have to go to Jamaica there with young boy. When you are mine. Me not mine, man. All of my money going to my big belly. Just like all the skin. Big gut where she have spread out like a blood clot wildflower. When they might stretch out pizza dough. You can't come up here and cuss me about shape and this and that. Look for your friend. Yeah? Look how she big and broad. Yeah? Look how she look like an Aunty Jemima. Look there. Look, you turn good. Yeah? You stay good. Yeah? You're right. If you go talk, boy, you go get injection and go get and go get vitamin. You need it because you look tired. Me see you in person and you look your right age. You look like a blood clot 65 and you look like a fucking 60. So if you are boss and say you look so, you need to get some more blood clot vitamin D and some more injection to look young and say you can't live to see 60. You can't talk to me. You can't talk to me about woman mind and buy ticket. Me I travel all my life. Just as how your friend get free stuff from people and she get whole heap of time. Let me see how I run for. How does somebody I run for? I me sell my things. But go look at work. It's just as though you work, me I work too. I me hear you come and talk about me if you go broke me this, that, and broke me this, that. Me make sure say me scream record it. Me can't carry that blood clot to your workplace and get you fired. Motherfucker. Bitch ass girl. That bumble clot statement where you make a handicapped people you work with. Remember you must say either a supervisor or some sort of something for the job or whatever. I know where it is. Them the something the way you talk about me a while ago. Me can't report it. Me know which party work. Me know which party work, bitch. Travel very lightly. Me make that one you pass. But you come out for me, I call your blood clot workplace and come right up there to the director. And you can't do like everybody else on social media. You're working in a disability facility. And those statement is called threatening, where you do a while ago with them things there. Where other blood clot drunk or bitch ass planker them can't go on with bloggers them. Certain things you can't say. Certain things can't say. We can't get your motherfucker terminated from your blood clot job, bitch. Watch what you say. You want to retire early and go sit down and sell your blood clot sheet and your bomber clot vase them. Where you say? Blood clot bitch ass. Remember who you're working with. Remember the people who you're working with and are ordinary people. And they wouldn't like to know that you're coming on social media and make such a statement. Make a one year pass, bitch. Make a 1 year pass. You can't, if I me like you, me shut my mouth. Too much evidence. Me not buy friendship. You buy the girl all the time. The only thing left is for you to suck her pussy. I pay by her. Everything we give her, everything she pay your feet. You just never say come see. You just buy friendship. Me not buy blood clot friendship. Me not buy friendship. I mean a blood clot stagnant either. Me nice, alright, free.